Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and I am in a hotel, and I have an unboxing, and this is some bits and bobs that I ordered. I'm hoping I can get into this easily. It's got one of them pull tabs. There we go. Because I wanted to, sorry about that, use some of the things that are in here tomorrow. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so I've done that bit. There we go. I like these boxes. They're actually easier to get into than they seem. Although the perforations are not really working too well on that side. There we are, that side did. Okay, we're in. So, no we're not. We're nearly in. Oh, heck. Oh, heck, missus. It actually opens up into another kind of inner box, which is cool. Okay, so I'm sorry if you've lost the top of my head, but I needed some more business cards, and so I ordered some, and I ordered 2 types. And the reason for that is I ordered some that I can just send to people that order from my shop, and that's a blank one. That's these ones. Here they are. These I usually put in orders. If you've had lots of orders before, I don't normally bother, but they're blank on the other side, and they've got my logo on and all my info. Okay, so that's those ones. And I ordered, there's rather a lot of boxes, to be honest with you. I don't think I've got that many. I'm not going to know which is the others. I think same. It's going to be fun. There is other things in here, and that might be one of them. Hang on. These are the others then. So this is probably the other ones. And what I did was, because sometimes I sell things on eBay, and I need to tell those people that, you know, things are cheaper on my website because of the high eBay fees. So I had that all printed on the other side. Things are often cheaper on my website due to high eBay fees. Check out website pop up for latest offers and promotions, and check out Crochet Rocks on YouTube for latest offers. So that's all on there. I don't have to write it anymore. That was tedious. And, you know, after a while, and when you've been packing orders and stuff like that, you get a bit tired and thinking, like, oh, come on, really? And your writing gets scruffier and scruffier, and, well, that's not good. So then I ordered some more stickers, which I put on the boxes. And I didn't order masses because I still got quite a few, but I figured as I was making an order, I get it. This is the one thing that I wanted to use for tomorrow, and the reason I'm going to preserve this bag as much as I possibly can. Try and get in. There we are. I wanted to get this because it's got a little sticker on it which I can take off. But look, it's a backpack, and it's got www.hobbyrocks.co.uk. I thought it said com for a minute, but I can walk around tomorrow and advertise myself. How cool is that? Isn't it just? So I only ordered the one, but because I wasn't doing it for merch purposes or anything like that. So this is my little backpack that I can take my snacks and stuff like that tomorrow, and my bottles of water. But it's a lovely colour, and it's got my website and my logo. I might even see the person who designed that logo tomorrow. So this is something else entirely, and I ordered 2 of these. Oh my goodness, if I can get into it. I'm going to try, and I haven't got any knives or scissors with me. Boy, it's really hot as well here, and it took a long time for the air conditioning to kick in. I thought it was broken. I thought, oh my god, you know, that's going to be a nightmare. but apparently it takes up to 20 minutes for it to start working, and it is now, thank goodness. I don't know if I could have coped. Are you ready for this? I got a mug, look, Harvey Rocks mug. So I've got one for the house and one for the Yarnavan, so I can have my tea, and it's got it on both sides. Now in the past, you know, when people asked me if I'd got merch for Crochet Rocks, I was considering getting some, but you can actually buy a machine now and make your own. But this is my cup. This is my Hobby Rocks mug for work. Isn't that cool? So I've got my bag to be seen out and about with. I got my mug. I can use when I do my videos and stuff. So there's the other one. That's really all I've got to unbox. But wow. So today we have been out and about exploring, because it's not really until tomorrow that everything starts. And so I made a video for tomorrow morning, like a chat one, but it was chat along the River Thames. And we found, well, I won't tell you what we found, but we've had a really good day, and found a place that we'd like to maybe come and stay another day, and it's extremely, extremely nice. There's, oh, I won't tell you. I'll wait until afterwards. I'll try and remember to tell you. But yeah, you have to watch it tomorrow. I'm exhausted, by the way, and I haven't started yet. I mean, we've done so much walking today. We walked all the way through the XL to get to the other side where this place is that we were filming. And we did stop and have a drink there, and then walked all the way back. But my legs are screaming, and I haven't even started Comic-Con yet. I've seen a lot of people arriving already in costumes and probably wanted to travel in them. So yeah, it's all kicking off. So I just got back to the hotel, and we've got one of the more modern rooms. It's not too bad. I'd show you around, but there's too much clutter. It's all mine, all my recording equipment and stuff. So yeah, I got back and I thought, because I washed my hair before I left, and I thought I'd straighten it. Gary's gone to have a little drink while I do all this, and I'm going to go and meet him in a sec once I've finished. So that, tell me what you think. Isn't that cool? I mean, I wanted to get a couple of these, but maybe the next time I'll get a blue one, because I know for a fact that if we're shopping, Gary will not carry one that's pink. But there you go, that's my baby. I like it. See, I'm allergic to carrying bags. You know, if we're shopping, I cannot carry bags. I get very, you know. So, yeah, everyone else ends up carrying them for me. Unless I have a backpack, then I will. Now, I'm going to go christen this mug. I'm going to make myself a cup of tea and finish off what I've got to do before I go meet Gary. Wow. So, yeah, it's been a full-on day already. We arrived, hardly any traffic, which was brilliant. And yeah, so it's been cool. Anyway, I thought I'd get on and show you my happy mail and my little unboxing. And I'll update you as the weekend, because Friday and Saturday we have a Comic-Con. Go home late Saturday. So thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.